Hello, hey hop. My name's Robin. I'm actually a mountain biker. I'm not a motocross guy, but I've been riding the Kalk since the very beginning. So I'm gonna try and give you a few tips on how to get better at cornering it. I feel like the most important thing is your body position. You wanna be kind of up front, elbows up. Back here it's very hard to lean the bike over. And what you wanna do is be up front and try to lean the bike over as much as possible. Don't try and steer like this, because that's when your front wheel starts washing out. So that's the main thing. Another sort of simple but helpful thing to do is try to always put your weight on your outside foot peg. I feel like that helps a lot with stability and yeah, making one corner instead of four. And look where you're going. That applies to all types of cornering, in your car, on your motocross or on your bike. Where you're going, that's where you will end up. I come from mountain biking, so I try to always do my braking as much as possible before the corner. That way I can actually brake up, turn the bike around and start accelerating in the corner rather than still be sort of braking in the corner, and that usually makes it a little bit easier to keep your momentum going. So try to brake as much as possible before the corner, and if you're gonna brake in the corner, try and skip the front brake. That's a very helpful tip, I feel like. For people coming from motocross, this is way obvious, but for people coming from other sports, it's not always so obvious. So when you lean the bike over, if I'm doing a right turn, I want to be leaning the bike over the direction I'm going. And if I'm going to take a foot out, I'll take my inside foot out and be looking the way I'm going. Like I said, very obvious to some people, but for most that's never ridden one of these before, it might not be so obvious. But lean the bike over the way you're turning, take out your inside foot and look ahead.
Over and out.